안녕하세요. 임성준입니다. Hello everyone, this is Seongjun. This time I'll introduce Korea snack. Seokgan is a shrimp flavored snack made by Nongshim Company since 1971, which means old than me. It's a very long history. Seokgan is made by fresh shrimp and flour. It has a strong shrimp aroma and crispy. Let me try to. Very crispy. It has various flavors like original, spicy, rice, black truffle. Korean people eat this one as a snack or even a side dish while drinking. This is another popular snack in here. Gokgalkon is corn fried snack. And it's the distinctive shape of corn, not corn. It has various flavors also. Let me show you this one. It's very funny shape. Let me tell you the way how to eat it. You can put this corn on your fingers like this. And another one. Oh, not this one. This one. Witcher. Then eat one by one. Very good. Next one is 꼬북칩. 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 꼬북칩 is also a corn fried snack and has also distinctive shape like this one. Turtle shell. It is a shape of four layers stacked together, so it makes a strong crispy. Good. This is crispy and savory. Very good. It's very famous also these days. And for next, I'll introduce a traditional snack in Korea. This is what I prepared this introduction Korean snack for you guys. And the last one I prepared is to most active participants in this workshop. I will send these all to you. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.